Hi, I'm Wyatt from Beehive Science and Technology Academy. I'm doing a project for the STEM Science Expo. I'm here to talk to you about surface tension, a basic scientific principle. But first, what is surface tension? Surface tension is a contractive tensity of a surface of a liquid that allows it to resist an external force based on its density. There's a trick that uses surface tension. Here are the to do that trick, you need these materials. But first, let's pour water into the bowl. Now, let's add some pepper. Okay. Now when I dip my finger into the bowl, nothing happens. But when I add some soap and try it again, you could see that the pepper has moved to the side due to surface tension. The surface tension of water isn't dense enough to slow down the pepper with soap. But if we add food coloring and try again, it's moving slowly to its side. Because the denser the liquid, the slower the soap moves the pepper to the side. Now that is the basic scientific principle, surface tension. Thank you for watching a Beehive Academy STEM project demonstration on surface tension.